Hi makeup beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Ikando and I do makeup tutorials here on my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're so welcome. Feel free to join the family just by clicking the subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you can always be notified each time I upload a new video. And now today's tutorial is an olive green ombre makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. You enjoy this look and you watch right until the end. So starting with my face, I'm gonna do my eyebrows face, and I'm just coming through my brows with a spoolie and then filling in my brows with Kiss Beauty Black Eyeshadow Studio, and then I'm just following through the natural shape of my eyebrows. So now that I'm done filling in my brows with the Kiss Beauty Black Eyeshadow, I'm gonna clean my brows using Iman Pro Concealer with the number 02. So I'm gonna apply this concealer right beneath my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna use the same concealer to apply even on top of my brows. Actually, I did use a different concealer right on top of my brows. And then I'm just gonna use a flat concealer brush to clean out the extra concealer. So as you can see guys, on top of my brows I'm just going in with a soft concealer. I'm not going in with too much product because I want the concealer to blend out so easily. And then beneath my eyebrows I went in with a lot of concealer because I'm gonna drag it down on my eyelid so that it can act as a base for all the eyeshadow which I'm going to apply later on. So friends, for my foundation today I'm using the black OPAL stick foundation. So this is the first time I'm using this foundation, and I must say that it worked really well for me. It's full coverage, I loved it. So I'm gonna apply it all on my face, and then I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender to actually blend it out. So with this foundation, you want to make sure that you work with it very quickly because it dries very fast. If you don't blend it out as soon as, it's going to become creasy. So you want to make sure that immediately you apply it, you blend it out. And then to highlight my face, I'm using the Iman Pro Concealer with the shade 03. So I'm gonna I'm gonna highlight on my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my pubic bowl, chin, forehead, as well as beneath my cheekbone. And then I'm gonna use the same damp beauty blender to actually blend out the concealer. So friends, I'm now blending out the concealer on my eyebrows and just dragging it down on my eyelid. So this concealer is going to be the base for the eyeshadow which I'm going to apply. And then to blend out this concealer, I'm using the flat concealer brush. And now to set my concealer, I'm using the Kiss Beauty for Urban Decay Age Defying Pressed Powder to set my highlight, set the concealer on all my high points. So this is the under eye, forehead, bridge of my nose, chin, and then I'm just going to drag this same setting powder all over my face to set even the foundation itself. So friends, today I said to bake my face. So to bake my face, I'm using the same Urban Decay Age Defying loose powder to actually bake my face. So I'm gonna bake on my forehead, my under eye, bridge of my nose, as well as my chin. So I applied the loose powder as well beneath my cheekbone so that I could create a nice contour on my cheekbone. So friends, for some reason today I decided to set the concealer also on my eyelid and using the same powder. And then now I'm actually bronzing up my face, so I'm gonna use the Gulflower contour palette and as well as the black eyeshadow from Kiss Beauty, and then just dabbing a little bit of the black eyeshadow and mixing it with the Gulflower contour palette and using the darkest shade from that palette. I'm just bronzing up my face and my forehead and my cheekbone as well. So I'm gonna drag the same contour below my jawline, and then I'm also going to contour. I'm going to use the same. I'm going to use the remaining product on this contour brush to actually contour my nose. So friends, as you have seen, I've already done one eye off camera, and now it's time to do the other eye here on camera. So this is the interesting part of the tutorial. To start up with my face, I went in with my transition shade, which is a neutral shade, brown, from the Gulflower contour palette. And then now I'm getting the darkest green, which is on the violet vase palette. So I'm adding green on my transition area as well. So I'm just intensifying the same green on my transition and then blending out using a wing swiper motion. And then after applying the green color, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the black eyeshadow from the Kiss Beauty eyeshadow studio, and then I'm going to be applying the black eyeshadow right on my outer corner of the eye. So friends, if you have observed, I'm actually using the same brush to apply all the eyeshadow. So if you do not have a huge collection of brushes, do not worry, you can even use one is enough. So what you can be doing is cleaning out the brush after applying the shadow, and then before applying another one you can just clean it out. So even one brush can work perfectly. So I'm just adding the black eyeshadow right on my outer V corner, and then just dragging the rest of the product on my transition area as well. So now that I'm done with my transition shade, I'm actually making a cut crease, so using an angled brush and my Iman Pro concealer. So friends, now that I'm done making the cut crease, so I'm just blending out the concealer with my black eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna apply the lid colors. To start with my lid color, I'm using the lemon green as the face base on my eyelid, and then I'm just going to be intensifying the lemon green, and then on the inner part of my eye I'm going to add some yellow, and then I'll just be blending out the rest of the eyelid colors rather. Now that the perfect lemon green shade has been applied, I'm just gonna blend out with the black eyeshadow on the outer V corner, and then later I'm gonna add some yellow on the inner part of my eyelid. So friends, now that I'm done applying my lid shadows and doing my eye makeup, I'm just dusting out the loose powder which I used to bake my face with my powder brush. And this was it with the look, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that I was detailed enough. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and then I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.